Hey everyone, welcome back to Kid Mode to Code Mode, the series where we break down CVEs in Kid Mode first so the story clicks, then Code Mode so you know how to ship. Today we're looking at CVE 2025-46701 in Apache Tomcat. This one lets a crafty little URL slip past rules that should have blocked it, specifically when the CGI servlet is in play. Let's break it down. Imagine a hallway with a sign that says, "No kids in computer lab." Spelled exactly like that, all lowercase. But the door guard only checks for that exact spelling. If the kid writes computer lab with a capital C on their pass, the guard doesn't recognize it, even though it's the very same room, so they walk right in. That's the bug. Changing the letter case tricks the rule checker while the building still treats it as the same place. In Tomcat's CGI servlet, if you've set security constraints that apply to the pathInfo part of the URL, and Tomcat is running on a case-insensitive file system, a specifically crafted request that changes the letter casing can bypass those constraints and reach the CGI script anyway. If you don't map or use a CGI servlet, this vector doesn't apply to you. So who's affected? This touches multiple Tomcat streams. The community fixes landed in Tomcat 11. You just need to update to 11.07. Tomcat 10.1, update to 10.1.41. Tomcat 9, you update to 9.01.05. Earlier builds in each stream are in range. Older 8.5 builds are known affected, but 8.5 is end of life upstream. So how serious is this? Well, the Tomcat team labels this low impact because it's a constraint bypass in a specific setup. CGI plus case-insensitive FS. CISA's enrichment scores it at a 7.3 high because it's a network no-auth bypass. Both views can be true. Your urgency depends on whether you use CGI and where it's exposed. Tomcat fixed this by tightening the CGI path handling, so mixed case tricks no longer bypass the rules. Ship the versions I just named, and you're covered on supported streams. Here's the move. 1. You need to inventory where CGI is enabled or mapped. If you don't need it, turn it off. 2. Upgrade Tomcat to the fixed floors, 11.07, 10.1.41, or 9.0.105. 3. If you're on Tomcat 8.5 and can't migrate, consider using HeroDevs NES for Tomcat, which ships 8.5.101 with this fix backported, so you can patch without a rewrite. So how do you quick harden while you patch? If you must keep CGI on briefly, tighten exposure to trusted paths only, and avoid relying on case-sensitive patterns in your URL constraints. Then roll the update. Now that's CVE 2025-46701. A case flip URL shouldn't beat your rules, and now it won't, once you're on the fixed builds or the NES backport for 8.5. Patch, verify the routes, and keep shipping. Thanks for watching. This is Kid Mode to Code Mode. Check back regularly for more coverage on the latest CVEs.